Sunshine. So today I have another candy subscription box to be unboxing with you all today. So this is Logic candy, and basically this is $20 every month, and in every monthly box you will get 46 full-size candy bars, plus you will get plenty of small candies, or that's what they say, plenty of small candies. It's literally what they say in their box description in your box. So you're paying $20 for 46 full-size pieces of candy plus smaller candies to fill up the value of the box. So I'm excited. The first thing that I'm pulling out are Razzles, and I remember having these. I remember trying these. So it says first is candy, then it's gum. It has lemon, raspberry, grape, orange, and blueberry in there. So we have a package of Razzles, and that's really exciting. I hope some of you at least have the opportunity in your lives to try these. These are, I don't know, I just always find them so fun whenever I try them. But my favorite were these like peanut butter candies that I tried, like out of everything that I like had tried from when my parents grew up. I don't remember what they were called, but they were kind of like the inside of a Butterfinger, but they were like peanut butter, and I don't know, they didn't have the chocolate on them. They were so good though. So the next things are our nickel slips. Light them, drink them, chew them. I love these. These were my favorite things growing up. I don't know why I just said it like that, but basically they're like kind of like a wax exterior, and you bite off the top, like the wax part of the soda bottle, and then inside there's like a flavored drink. I can't remember any of the flavors. I don't remember if they were like different flavored or if it was just one flavor with different colors, but these were really fun. The wax didn't taste so great, but really it wasn't really about the taste. It was more about the idea and the fun that came with them. Next thing that I'm pulling out of this box is Broadway strawberry rolls. I've never had these, but it says, I don't know, to me it kind of looks like Twizzlers. Kind of look like Twizzlers to me. I don't know if they'll taste like Twizzlers, but I'm trying to like break them apart on the inside. But it looks like something like these are wrapped. Like something, okay. Well, basically what I'm trying to say is it looks like there's like jelly filling on the inside, and then it's wrapped in like the Twizzler type of like candy. And the last full size candy that I'm pulling out is Aero Mega Roulette Gummy Candy. So basically it's like the gummy bears, the gummies that make the gummy bears, but in like circle form, like Lifesavers, in a giant like package. I see two of these things in here, so I pulled these out next. They say classic caramel on them, and that is literally all they say. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. Well, I mean, I have seen something like this before in my life, but oh, it's leaking. Oh no, my fingers are now all covered in red. That's really sad. I know this is a subscription box and everything, but like, you know how our parents taught us never to eat like open candy because like stranger danger in Halloween. So I'm not going to be consuming this because it's open and I don't know what it's been exposed to, but like right here is leaking and it's getting all over my hands. Here's everything left in the box. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a slapstick, and it's caramel, and this looks like it's open too. Oh my God, like the bottom part of it, do you see all that? Like there was like, it looks like there was wax right there, but it looked like it got torn off. So literally like the bottom of the lollipop is like totally exposed. So that is like totally leaky too. It's a sweet tart lollipop. I really would love to know, it doesn't look like it, but it like, do you suck on it like a normal lollipop, or is it just like a massive sweet tart in the shape of a lollipop? Next, I see two of these. Oh my God, are we serious? So it's two of these, I don't even know what these are, but this one is open. Look, I don't know if you guys can see, but like right here, it's open. What the heck? And this one is too. So two of these candies, I have no idea what these are. It says Brock's, and they look like mint colored, maybe toffee. And it's got these like two, like, I don't know what they are. It kind of reminds me of like a fruitcake a little bit. But yeah, both of these are open, so that's a no. I have two chews. So we have one piece of Bazooka bubblegum. Next thing is this banana split toffee. I really don't know. It feels like toffee, kind of shaped like a Starburst, but isn't Starburst a like toffee, I guess? I don't really know. But it just says banana split on it. Last but not least, this is open too. This is, I've had these before. Literally, we can get these at Walmart, but like caramel filled creams. So for $20, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces of candy, but literally it's like pieces of candy. Okay, this box was $20 and this was another box that is literally just taking your money and a ripoff. Not only, like, I would just say that without knowing that any of the candy was open. Like, I know, okay, I know that I can get this and this at Five Below. Like, I've literally seen these at Five Below because Five Below sells like vintage candy where like you can go and you can fill up a bag of candy for like $1, and then they have these like individual things, and that's where I go and get like Korean snacks and stuff like that. Like, that's where I go when I'm looking to try like stuff that I can't find at Walmart or at the dollar store, candy and snacks. I have seen Razzles and I've had the nickel nips at Five Below. I know I just had nickel nips in the last like 5 years. Okay, so those two things are not, like, I get that they're nostalgic, but I feel like you can get them at Five Below. It's not really something that it's hard to find. I know you can find them online on Amazon. So like these two things, okay, I'll give you that. I'll give you that these are a little bit harder to find. Everything else is literally, and like, I would be less upset about it if you at least gave us a description of like what's going down. Like, what the heck are these things? What the heck are these things? Like, I understand like spacing is a thing, but you could at least have a little section of like miscellaneous candy and kind of explain what's going down. These are like, I understand it's not as logic, but you can literally still get these to this day. Like, okay, the only thing that I have never seen or heard of is the sweet tart lollipop. That is the only thing that caught me off my guard. And I didn't know that these were ever made in lifesaver forms. And I didn't know that this was, so there were like 3 things that I didn't know in existence out of this entire box. So for $20, you basically got like 4 full-size pieces of candy. Like full, like, you know, like, I know this isn't considered a piece of candy. I know there are multiple pieces of candy inside of this, but it's like like, just for you, lack of better term, it's a piece of candy. So you got 4 pieces of candy. And then you got the small individual pieces of candy, like these things. There were like 4 or 5 things in here that are opened, and like you can literally see like there's dirt on the lollipop stick because it's like the entire stick is dirty. First and foremost, this box is not worth your $20 whatsoever. I can guarantee you, if you are desperate for some vintage candy, please go to your like local Five Below store. I guarantee you they will have something like it. They literally have shelves and shelves of candy. If not, go to a candy store. There are literally candy stores that do the same exact thing, and I guarantee you will not try and charge you for something that, like, you know, you can get at the dollar store, you can get at Walmart, you can get at Five Below. Like, this box is an absolute ripoff. There was protective packaging when it was shipped here, like everything, like it had snakes, it had protective packaging. There wasn't anything sharp in the box for anything to be cut open. So there really isn't any logical explanation to why so many wrappers are open and why so much candy is exposed. That is it for my overall disappointing impression of Logic candy. This is a waste of money. Do not waste your time or money on this. And hopefully nobody has gotten sick from any of this. I feel like it's very, like, I'm like nervous, like just even being around it. I'm like, oh my goodness, what's going down? So what did you guys think of this box? Did you feel like I was a little too harsh? Do you kind of agree with my overall opinion that you feel like it's unhygienic and not very safe? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.